Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off explicit content on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Spotify, click on your profile icon in the top left, then you should see settings and privacy, so just click on there. Once you're on here you should see content and display, so you want to click on that. Then in the middle you should see allow explicit content, and this is usually turned on. It'll just let you know explicit content labeled with an E tag is playable. So obviously if you want to turn that off, all you do is click on there and toggle it off. So that's how you can turn off explicit content on Spotify. Thanks for watching.